right. Which one are you doing? The turtle? That one? What's your initials? It's the first letter of your first name, first letter of your last name. So what's your first name?
Jesse.
What letters does that start with? J. And what's your last name? What's your last name?
That's not J.
What do you mean? What does your first name start with? J, right? What does your last name start with? What letter? You know it. What's your last name? What is it?
No.
What's your last name?
E.
E?
Okay.
K? I'm gonna write it in a K. Do you know what his name is?
Him?
No, I'm asking him what your name is. What's his name?
Josh.
Do you know what letter that starts with?
J.
J. And does Josh have the same last name as you? Does he have the same last name as you? No?
Yes.
Okay, it's okay, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then do you know what her name is?
Well,
Oh, do you know what her first name is? What is it? Emma?
N.
Is that right? Alright, so this tile right here has all of our colors on it, front and back. There's these little sheets right in front of you. What I want you guys to do is pick your colors and then write down the names that you want. And when you are ready, you let me know and I will go grab them for you, okay?
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel New York Brothers. Today we visited Muddworks studio in Greatneck nearby where we live. This is a place for painting your own pottery, making candle, and more. I'll explain how it works. Step 1. Choose any ceramic pieces you like from their selection of over 300 pottery pieces. Step 2. Receive a quick paint demonstration from here's friendly staff and choose your paint colors. Step 3. Enjoy and have fun creating your masterpiece. Step 4. They will glass and fire up your pieces, and within 7 to 10 days will be ready to take home. Whenever you're ready, they call and we need to pick them up. Actually, our pieces got ready in just 4 days. There's also space for birthday party downstairs. It's a really cute studio.
This is good.
I think personalized presents are great Valentine's gifts because they showcase how unique you think the recipient is. Flowers, chocolates, and other gifts have all been done before. Let's give someone who you loved ones something unexpected. Okay, are we ready?
I think this is what matches and this is what yummy juice. 뭐야?
물 너무 많아서 그래.
맛있는데?
용빈아, 물 너무 많이 넣지 마. I think it's a great place adults, teens, and children of all ages can have to spend quality time and have fun. This Valentine's Day, how about giving your loved one a hand-painted pottery? We had a really good time here and enjoy. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone!